How to fix Steam icons that are missing. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix your Steam icons that are missing. So the first thing that you need to do is to just find the Steam icon in which that is missing, and then what you want to do is just right click, go to properties, and then after that click on change icon right here, click on browse, and then what you want to do is to just find the download location of your Steam game. So mine is in my D drive, so I'll just go there. Once you found the Steam library drive, what you want to do is just go to Steam apps, go to common, and then from there what you want to do now is to just find your game. And then what you want to do is to just click on the Steam icon right here, and then just click on open, and then there you go. It will appear right here. Click on OK, apply, then OK again, and then there you go. And let's say you don't find the Steam icon in that folder. What you want to do is just go to Steam, go to the app that doesn't have a Steam icon, right click, go to properties, go to installed files, and then verify integrity of game files right there. So just click on it and then wait for it to finish. So once it's finished, what you want to do again is go to the app with the missing Steam icon or Steam icon, right click again, properties, change icon, browse again, and then again look for the folder in which the game is downloaded in, and then just click on the exe file, click on OK, apply, and then OK. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix missing Steam icons.